So, look, if you've been thinking about starting an LLC in New York, there's something you should know right away. This is one of the states that confuses people the fastest. And honestly, when you start digging into New York's rules, it becomes really obvious why. It feels like this long list of legal steps you're supposed to understand immediately. And that's usually where most people get overwhelmed because you've got the name search, the New York Articles of Organization, the registered agent, the operating agreement, the EIN, and then New York adds the LLC publication requirement, which throws off almost everyone. And you're sitting there wondering, why is this so complicated when every guide says it's easy? So yeah, I get the confusion. And that's exactly why I always recommend simplifying the entire process. You don't need to decode legal instructions or spend hours figuring out each step on your own. It's so much easier to use a formation service that handles everything in the correct order and avoids all the common mistakes. And here's the part people rarely talk about. After forming multiple LLCs myself, there's one service that consistently made New York's process smoother, faster, and just less stressful. And that's Taylor Brands. They walk you through everything clearly, file your documents correctly, keep you compliant, and make sure nothing gets skipped. So yeah, if you want the easiest way to start a New York LLC without paying a lawyer or dealing with all the complexity alone, just use the Taylor Brands link in the description or pinned comment because my link automatically applies the discount for you. Thanks so much for watching. I wanted this to save you time with your New York LLC. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. See you in the next video.